Odinana Brazioku, Odinana Buzando, Imano Wero Netimpunasi, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi Oneti, no Totona Bali Onona Nkuzi, EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu, oraifite. Onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gabadị EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu onye manije mọdụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadị iru EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu onye ọma oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gabadị iru EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu onye manije mọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadị iru EZE-ANA gadị Ugochi tubelu gadị Ugochi tubelu temple ọya dị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ukeri gadị front and back you ndị oche gadị front and back fada sikalaka olu si anyịra gadị na nke fakamba bụrụ baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ ebe mmadụ ọchịfa obodo ụka dịkwa mmanụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe EZE-ANA si n'ọma mbe ọdịnala ọmanwụ chacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkuzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume ọdịnala ya dị EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu onye ọma oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gabadị ọtụtụ ọma nọ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụ nwa bụ Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite na-anọ n'isi ya abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple anyị na-agba afa mmiri emerụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry all ministration using ọdịnala method every Wednesday oge anyị ji ekwubi okwu n'isi friends of the temple and ndị enyi anyị all over the globe nwekwasịrị ike ịbịa sonyere anyị n'oge nkwubi okwu every Wednesday abụkwazi m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Echefuta na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa November ka na-aga n'iru. Anyị ga-achịkọta ụbọchị Saturday bụ 19th. A ga-achụkwa aja dị iche iche gbuo ebulu mesara ka ndị mmadụ erikwazie ma ṅụọ. Ọ bụrụ na isonye wuyi na aja, ị nwere ike isonye na nke ọnwa Disemba ga-ebido Disemba 6. Aja ka esi esonye na ya bụ ị ga-forward ya 3 prayer requests, make donation token to the account number. With the details I need from you. Ndị na-esonye bụ uko amadụ ka esi eme, amadụgo ka esi eme. Mana maka gị nwa bụ onye ọfụ, ihe ị ga-eme bụ WhatsApp or send them message na WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. You send the message. I was getting details I need, the information I needed from you. I went here, I book Rogi, Makandi gets when I have go 1 December. Ah, Jambuni and Ajipti, I just go near where goes out for the matter. When the natural can I cut it all. Is your why you don't watch it? Dog, I want case you how to be successful in 21st century using social media platforms. Part 2. Part 1 I could yesterday. Manata, Genti, I got something get change your life. I'm willing to show you. I'm willing to show you yes, I go. One will get pay attention.
and they will be willing to be mentored and at least start small. If you have the vision and they are willing to learn, to gain the knowledge. Makara Hosea 4:6, I keep saying it. Kuruna, my people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. Sorry. Makana, what you don't know is only a mystery to you, not to all. Yes. I can tell you lots of people are making huge amount of money monthly. Legitimately, I'm talking about legitimate earning money. Yes, social media has come to stay. So you have to maximize the gains. But the adjobo, can where the divide you belong. On when the social media for only for fun. But I Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi, I don't have time for that. I mind my business. That's why even if you go to my wall, people that have been following me for years, I don't have time for jokes. It will always be telling you how it is. It's either I promote my business, I promote my services, period. I don't have time for fun. So, ụfọdụ na-abịa na social media ka nwoke na-achọ nwaanyị ma nwaanyị na-achọ nwoke. Ụfọdụ na-achọ pornography, and those things that will degrade you. Those things that are making agony morally. All ụfọdụ na-achọ. So, mana ọ bụrụ na ị bịalụ chọọ ka iri ulu dị na social media, believe in me, I will tell you, it has worked for me and it will work for you if you only believe. I'm on a watch, being a watching car, and watch part 1, go watch part 1. You will water. Macadonia, my best knows when they kiss you about a video. Edging card, Airtel card, making them man, Airtel and the Glow. I manage a program I call the body and the only for our fans. 500 naira each. Now, this is open to every hour. Social media grew me ample. Yesterday, Sina. All those 2 ways I go na social media. Is either you are promoting services or you are promoting goods. Don't forget that everything is all about networking. Yes. Networking is all about game of numbers. Yes, it's a game of numbers. Even the church you are going is networking, because I got to look at your friends and well wishers. What can you have? Networking. Is a game of number. Even the business in them requires networking, because business in them need the customer base. So that if your customer base is growing, the same way in social media, you need your followers. Only that each profession will language and use. Now network require downlines. You need to have downlines in order for you to earn up. Man, networking language, that social media language, acquire followers, or then language, don't with their language and a bunker. Man, I hear them is a game of number. Business, whatever business you are doing, you have few customers, or I call them clients, whatever, when they were contractor. Contractors normally call their own customers, they don't call customers, call them clients. Now, whatever name you choose to call, whoever that is patronizing you, but then our patronizing need to be multiplying in order for you to remain in business. So that is why even on our banks, after banking with them, even security men now the bank, I say thank you for banking with us. Even ATM machine, we tell you thank you for banking with us. They knew the importance of having multitude of people queuing in their system. So what I'm telling you is to build a system, build a brand, you will get paid. Let me digress a little, but for people that have not watched the first part. I said, why do we pay our landlords? It's not that the handsome landlord is so good, man, because he's solving your house needs. The same thing is one of the reasons why you are paying your medical doctors. They are solving your health needs. So if you'll be able to be a problem solver to people, you get paid. I don't know that generation gossip a trend or kwezioku. Information a trend or kwezioku. Whenever you cleanse your own blog, or even you are using your Facebook page, what is important is the content. You're a content creator. You can see on social media, some people when they were event men in Lagos, they post to it. After posting it, and now start to analyze it for you. You're not trouble followers. Can they man and ask, yes, now this page, this man, not there with our current events. You only know natural. The bottom line of whatever he's looking for is good followers. Because that good followers is money. If you go up a shop, what you are looking for is more customers. Because that more customers amount to money. So what I'm telling you, one, you must have characteristics and the attitude that will make you to be friendly with others. That is customer service. If you want to succeed in social media, I want to give you the tips. Let people see you as somebody that they can trust. Yes, that is one. Two, you can start building your dreams. Almost your passion about writing ebooks. You can make money from there. There is so many search engines you can use to get some information from some research institutions and individuals. Then you add it up with your own and create ebooks. You can make money from there. You can make money from being an online importer. Yes, I have earned money from it. In fact, my investment, my house in Abuja and my tenant house, I built it with money I earned from online importation. Yes. Then, I normally like to use myself as a example. So okay, man, those things are achievable. I used to buy, that side then, I'm into selling of computer accessories. Yeah, computer peripherals and laptops, used laptops. Now, for my computer peripherals, like my mouse, Bluetooth, chargers, name them, all those computer things, the new ones, I can normally get them from China. Believe me, I have not been to China before. Yes. But I sell China products. I import them myself. You know what I did? Because I have already attended so many lectures, seminars, and I have been properly mentored by experts. Now, what am I telling you today? You can go to Alibaba and the AliExpress, they are the same. Yes, anything from China, most manufacturing companies used to come to Alibaba to display their products. Yes, those companies you know in China normally have. Yes, you can still see some middlemen. The same thing is happening in China. Yes, based on my investigation. Even if you go to China today, you can still run into some middlemen that speak Chinese. They will go to these companies that manufacture this product directly, get those products cheaper, and they maybe have an office in Guangzhou, China, and they resell it to you. The same thing that is happening in AliExpress. But if you understand how social media works, first of all, any company you want to do business with, go to that company, check the customers' feedback. If you go there, you will see some ranking. You will see some producers, some manufacturers similar ranked, have badged in Alibaba. You check here the customers' feedback, whether it's a company that have good, great reputation. Yes, you must don't forget to check these things. Very important. Now, after checking, you know that this company is very trustworthy. You can order small first. They will deliver it. Yes, they will deliver it. You can even go to their post office. They will deliver it to the post office. If you are buying large quantity, if your money grows, yes. At a stage, when I started before, I used to even buy camcorder. I would go to the post office and take them. At a stage, I began to buy a large quantity. What I normally do is that after buying to those customers, I will give them the agent address in that China, where they will deliver that my parcel package to that company. That company will now ship it to Nigeria. And some of those companies has offices in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. They will deliver it to me. You understand? I found out that when I was buying in Lagos, that buying directly in China in the comfort of my home, I will order for it. I get it cheaper. You understand? Now that is one thing. Then for my used items like projectors, laptops, I used to order them from eBay. Using the same method. If you go to eBay, you will still see some rank cost companies, high profile company. One of the richest IT published company in US, you do advertise there. So I'm using PayPal. Even if I want to pay them, I use PayPal as a middleman. Yes, I have PayPal account to pay them to ensure that my money is safe. Now, after using that, then I use the same PayPal to make payments on eBay. After doing it for a while, I now noticed that there's some companies that they are big companies. I started doing business, buying directly from those companies. Yes. So I started earning big amount of money. Sometimes those laptops will come, I will be having like maybe 10,000-15,000 naira profit to sell one. And some days I can sell 6. Some days I can sell 10. Because at the stage, people that resell in Wuse will come to my shop in Ogbuefi EZE and get them and go to Wuse and resell them, adding more money. Then minus that one, I now showcase my product. Once I offload them, I will, while opening them in carton, because they come in cartons, while opening them, I will be snapping them. And they'll be displaying them in my account on gg.ng. Yes, I will display them there. So people from Abuja, Niger State, even Nasarawa State, travel far near to come to my base in Ogbuefi EZE to get those laptops, because my price is a little bit cheaper than how much we get them in Wuse. So I make so much ton. Under good luck, I make good amount of money on that business. And I know some of my boys that I gave that contact when I was living in Abuja, I mentored, they're all doing well now. At least I gave 2 people that contact, they're doing well. Minus that one. So if I want to get new items like charger, batteries, and rest of them, I get it from China. But I remember, like I told you, I have not visited China for the first time. If I need used items, I can get it from eBay. At a stage, I started dealing with those companies themselves, because those people that display their items on eBay, they are a company of their own. Yes. So after building some confidence with them, I deal directly with those companies, and that means more money. Because so by so doing, we are earning money. Then minus that one, you already keep a service provider. Do you know when the agent and main market? go to some of these things you are seeing, like bags, some designer clothes and shoes and whatever. They go to a main market, get it directly from importer. They will come to their social media platform and display them. Do you know? And they're earning money. So you can be selling, and because if an importer imports goods, other distributors, they're all networking. Yes, don't you know? Yes. Now, if you are selling MTN cards, it's networking, because you are only promoting selling MTN products. You are helping them to make sure that their brand and their products get to the rural areas. Understand? It's networking. You understand? So now it's either you are providing services or you are promoting business or networking business. Now, what you will be doing now, if you are good, you are a comedian, you can be producing what you know how to do best. Have your own page. Keep on creating good content. People will start following you. Now, if you are good in service, like maybe you are a good orator, or maybe you are a good marriage counselor, you can own a page and start teaching people how to manage their marriage affairs and relationship. Believe in me, it's just a matter of time. You will have huge followers. I don't want to start calling names of people that have earning huge amount of money using their own skill and gift. So don't tell me you don't have money. What you need is somebody that will mentor you and guide you how to create your YouTube account, your Facebook page, and guide you how the content that's required. Good content that required. Somebody that will be guiding you. Don't post this, don't do like this, don't do that. And then you monitor the reaction of your followers. So to know exactly what they want. Believe me, just a matter of time. Nothing good comes easy, but I can tell you, if you maintain the tempo, slow and steady, win the race. You keep on working hard. It's just a matter of 2, 3, 4 years. You'll start earning big. Do you know that there are some people that are earning millions of naira monthly? Some earn millions of naira. I don't want to start calling. Some of these people you are seeing living large on social media. Some of them are earning legitimate money using their social media platforms. You don't need to want me to tell you about Linda Ikeji, Blessing CEO, Angela Nwosu. There are many. There are many that are earning huge amount. I'm not talking about people that are earning maybe something under 6 digits. I'm talking about people that are earning 7 digits. 7 digits. And even more. So what am I saying? In essence, is this. Know where your talent is. If you're a born comedian, don't say I don't have somebody to promote me. Go to your social media handle. Create your social media page. Start promoting yourself. Once you are good in what you are doing, believe in me, somebody will start promoting you from there. If you are good in the handwork, start from somewhere, promoting yourself, creating your platform, and be focused. Know exactly the path you want to follow. Before you are good at social media or phone, I'm not as a phone person. Anyway, if you are there for business, mind your own business. Mind your own business. So what am I saying is, what you must do is this. I want to tell you there's lots of money you will make. And please try to be properly guided. And the content you'll be creating, it depends on how you want it. You can be creating content, scene content or video content, but the most important thing is let it be original. Let them be your work. And then make sure you read about the rules. The rules, if it's Facebook you want to go with, go and read their community rules to know the do's and don'ts. If it's YouTube, pay attention to whatever the criteria. Do you know that people even make money from TikTok? Do you know? And all those things, you know where you can believe it. Time has gone when you will be expecting government to provide jobs for everybody. At least it's not in today's Nigeria. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is pay attention. Make good use of those your data. People you are following, let them be people you learn something from. Do you know why I normally tell people about activating their spiritual power and their spiritual you? Do you know why? Because every human being has destiny, has the strength and weakness. Do you know? Yes. Every human being has strength and weakness. So you will learn where your strength lies. If you know where your strength lies, then you'll be able to showcase it to the world. You are the one that will blow your trumpet. Don't expect your enemies and people out there to blow your trumpet. You only put affair, only put it affair. So you must make yourself available, show people what you can do. So, but sometimes, because you have not activated your inner power, have time for quiet time, has time for meditation, has time for reflection, has time to ask your chi and your izmezu what they really want you to do. It's in a time like that, silent time, you will be able to get inspiration, whether to go to this way or to go to that way. Believe in me, some of these great successful people you are seeing that created empires and great investments, they thought of it. They have their own dreams. You understand? It's somebody's dream. So for you to develop your own dream, yeah, you need to reawaken it from within. Then come more way back, yeah, that's your dreams. So that your dream will come into reality. So you need the spiritual force, back force, to support you. That's why I said start from their spiritual reflection, meditation, spiritual exercise. By so doing, you will discover your real you. And by so doing, you will start getting some inspiration. I've already used myself as an example. I told you that when I decided finally to quit Abuja, leave Abuja, I made money a lot from Abuja. Yes, I was living comfortable. But when this issue of my call get to this height, and I was told, go back to the east. That you have a mission there. I have no option. When it's obvious that it's time is up for me to go, I came home. Told them that I have come home to answer the call. Which way should I follow? It's during the time of my meditation I was told that, look, you are called to be an Onyenchuaja and the evangelist. That this my evangelization, the way I evangelized when I was in the church, that I should go to Ordinana and start that semi-evangelization. And I asked them how, since I don't have the resources to go to the radios and what I do. And I was told during one of my spiritual exercise, look, when I was in Abuja, I'm a successful networker, yes. But I'm executive director of one of the leading networking companies. Yes. Promoting supplement and rest of them. Now, and when I was in Abuja, but I have downlines in 20 states. Now, as we speak now, it's more than that, but as at then, I have downlines in 20 states. In fact, my upline is in Philippines. She met me on social media. So, and since I now reason it that since I'm in Abuja, but I have downlines in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Enugu, and rest of them, sitting in my comfort of my home and in my office in Abuja. So I was told that since you were in Abuja and they were able to have downlines like people that believe in my dreams and they key in my platform and in my business, That the same way I should go and open YouTube channel. That will serve as a vehicle. And I open YouTube channel for this mission. You understand? And I now open Facebook. Later open Facebook page. Facebook page is this year. But believe in me, if not for the fact that I'm called to be an evangelist using ordinary method, if I belong to this conventional mindset, I know I would have grown my page and my fans, my YouTube channel to greater heights, far more than what I have today. But for the fact that I'm restricted as an evangelist and as a church, so that mission, my Ezumezu has told me that my core business is to evangelize. That's why I kept my page and my channel for that evangelization. I don't want to start importing social events and whatever into it. But had it been, I want to use it to earn money, earn huge amount of money by since this is our monetized. If I decide to use it as a vehicle to earn huge amount of money, I know how to do. I know the content I will put in there, and I will have hundreds of followers and subscribers. But I have a vision. But for you that are under my influence of my voice, you don't have the kind of mandate I have. As a called one, as one in charge and the evangelist, I was given mandate. So there is do's and don'ts. But you, as a liberal person, you can expand your business by expanding your contents. You have hundreds of followers, 100,000 followers. So what am I saying in essence is this: try to know what you have, where you have passion. Do you know that some people have great followers by just teaching one thing or the other? It could even be lifestyle. It could even be analyzing social events. Do you get? So stop folding your hands. There is so much money using social media platform into different settings. Now, if you have passion to become a programmer, go and learn the programming stuff, programming language. Go and learn JavaScript. Go and learn PHP. Go and learn hypertext markup language. Go and learn those things. I used to be into programming, but because this is my call, I decided to drop all of them to focus on my call. But you can pick those things up. There is huge amount of money. If you learn programming and if you are too good in programming, believe in me, you start earning big. So all those things, no knowledge is a waste. And everything is made easy by social media. You can go to Google and start learning. So you have the primary knowledge of these things. Then you can get yourself enrolled in some of these schools where they teach programming stuff. And believe in me, gradually, you can be better. You know that some people that created this platform, like Snapchat, this and that, you know, they created it and those platforms became good. And they bought them over. They found that the owner of the Blue app bought WhatsApp. Yes. Then with Snapchat, you know how much $1 billion they bought all those things. So you can, as a programmer, you can start to create your own. If you promote your own and your own is good, you can get paid, including all those apps. You can even go and learn how to develop apps. Because we are living in the 21st century where those things cannot stop. Understand? Some company can employ you if you're a programmer. Even some good hotels, some banks. If you really want to go into corporate world. But if you stand on your own, promoting how good you are in this thing, people can hire you. You tell them their terms and conditions, work for them for a while, and you'll still be independent while working for those organizations as a consultant. I will stop here. If you have questions, send the message in the WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. Let me start with Airtel 07 67 96 50 50 21 94 49. Again, 07 67 96 50 50 21 94 49. Let me call for the last time. 07 67 96 50 50 21 94 49. Let me call Glow 32 37 26 61 10 75 256. Again, 32 37 26 61 10 75 256. Let me call it for the last time. 32 37 26 61 10 75 256. Yeah, guys, yeah. Yes, so what I would you get actually in Wednesday. And Wednesday, I will by 9 a.m. Yeah, guys, yeah. Oh yeah, the guy actually by 9 a.m. I got to go again. I want to get you in the chat video. This message is meant to, we are working. Some people that are slumbering. Many national, they have one. Many said, what you have when you keep a woo. I can tell you, you will keep that role as a journalist. A man who wants to condemn mother, they will keep there because they are one them mother to do. See her at their own platform. They are enough for Ogbuefi. I'm not one. They got in a better but they are hard to do. They feel at their platform. As long as people fully they create something, their platform, people will be following you. Now I have to work again, get me here in there. Under the influence of my voice. May they receive help. May they receive vision. May they receive knowledge on how to apply this social media platform benefit for their own good. By men watching this video, let them be inspired to pick up and take care of their destiny and their dreams to greater heights. Now I have to work and get me here. Ask him that distance I'm out of there. Now I have to work and get me here. Be blessed. Thank you. See you tomorrow.